everyone, I'm Ms. Haujin, mathematics teacher at Lezan Private School. Today we have new subject of chapter 5, lesson 6, problem solving strategy by drawing a picture, okay? Here we have this problem. Yara's grandmother has made 16 squares for a quilt. How can she arrange the squares so that the quilt is the same number of squares wide as it is long, okay? Look at here. Yara's grandmother has made 16 squares. Here we have the 16 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Here's our 16 square, okay? For a quilt, she wants to make a quilt. How can she arrange this 16 square so that the quilt is the same number of squares wide as it is long? It means she arranged these squares for make a quilt, but the number of the square in the wide should be as in the long, okay? It means we can make an array by this 16 square, but the number of rows should be the same as the number of column, okay? We have this 16 square, we should make an array by this 16 square, but the number of rows should be the same as the number of column. Now look at here. Let's make a square by it. First, let us arrange it like that. Okay, it is 2 rows and 2 columns. We have 2 rows with 2 columns. The number of rows is the same as the number of columns, but still we have squares. Still we have more squares. We should use all of them. So let us make 3 by 3, okay? Now I have 1, 2, 3 columns. I have 3 columns. But how many rows I have? 1, 2. I have 2 rows. So I should make 3 rows. Also, I should make 3 rows, okay? Look at here. Now also I have 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. And also 3 columns. It is the number of rows equal with the number of columns. But still I have more squares. So let's add another row and another column for it. Okay? We should use all our square. We should use all our square here. Now I have 4 rows. I have 4 rows, but I only have 3 columns. I should also have 4 columns. Look at here, yes, now I also have 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have 4 rows with 4 columns. So I used all the 16 square. And I made array with 4 rows and 4 columns. So we used all the 16 square for making quilt, and the square of wide is as long as the square of long. Okay, look at here. We have 4 rows with 4 columns. So it is 4 times by 4 equals 16. Okay, it is 4 times by 4 equals 16. Thank you.